Hi everyone, I'm Lo, the founder of eRobotclub. So my dear parents and students, did you see my first video and asking you to do self-learning at home during this movement control period? Now I know that staying at home sometimes is very boring. So for today, we're going to introduce something new. eRobotclub Malaysia Google Classroom 2020. How to attend this? Very simple. You can follow step by step later on when we tell you what to do. For this class, it's absolutely free for all eRobotclub Malaysia students. So take this opportunity, sign up this class, and you can get some assignment, alright? And also you can see what we are doing in this class. Probably you will learn something new and something exciting. Well, now come to join the class. Just follow our steps. First, what you need to do is to sign up an Google account. If you already have a Google account, that's great. What happens if you don't have? You can ask your parents to sign up one for you, or you can use your parents' Google account. Once you have this account, you just have to follow this link. Alright, so I believe now you already can see the link. Make sure you type correctly and go into the link. Once you go inside, you will come to this Google form. Just fill up the information and you will go inside there, and the end there, click submit. Remember, this information is very important. Don't simply fill up, because we will verify with your center to see you are the genuine student. After our verification from the information you have submitted, we will send you an invitations email. Inside this email, you will look like this. And with this join, just click inside. Once you click the inside, you are successfully joined our eRobotclub Google Classroom 2020. Now, once you join the Google Classroom, you will come into this main page. Inside this main page, you will get the assignment here. So our questions will be posted here, and you will need to know what to do. So in case you have questions, you can post your question here. So the teachers will try to answer you as much as possible. After you finish your assignment, what you need to do is to take some photo and video. Where is the place that you need to post? Classwork. This is the classwork that you need to post it up. So remember, take video and picture after you finish your assignment, post it inside here. The teachers will give you some marks. And don't forget, once you get the marks, alright, share with your parents. Alright, don't be surprised, we may give you some rewards after this movement control period. So, do it, don't wait. I'll see you again.